we finally got the beds placed where they're permanently going to reside. It was a lot of kind of maneuvering, shifting things around, and getting the grounds leveled. But now we are running the irrigation lines, and it's our first time ever running an irrigation system. So far, we think it's coming out pretty good. There's Dwayne getting it all set up.
This shit ain't fun at all.
So we have the line, we dug the trench, which I think we showed you guys in one of our previous videos. So we have the line coming up over the landscaping fabric, and we're going to be running two lines because we didn't have the cross coupling. That would allow us to kind of make it one continuous line. So this is what we have so far. We're going to be running a water line to each one of the beds. And yeah, so far it's coming along. It's pretty hard work. Trying to get these clamps on has been a task in itself. But yeah, so far so good.
The water ran. We talked real briefly about the trench. So what we did was we ran the trench from over here. So from our backyard water spigot, we ran a Y off of that here. So this is our backyard garden hose. We ran a Y so that we could run the water from there, ran underneath the deck, and then we came out on this side where we hooked up the timer. So that's kind of here, and then obviously the water is going to run down this way. We trenched the path right here to go from that spot all the way down over here, where it's coming out right here. So I know you can see the line. We're not really too worried about that, because what we're going to do is we're going to fill the top of this now with mulch. But you can see the connection runs here. We cut it right here at this spot, just in case if any reason we want to run more water this way, we can do that. So that's crimped there. Then you can just follow along and see each one of these beds. It's going to have its own water source. And that's it. So now we're going to, I think I'm start dumping some bags of mulch out here, trying to
Make it look pretty.
hide a little bit of this, make it look pretty. And then we'll get the soil that we need to fill inside the beds. And then from that point on,
It's time to plant.
you start planting. Oh, okay.
All right, friends. So we went ahead and spread out the 25 bags of mulch that we had, and this is what we have. It looks beautiful. So, yeah, like I said, we used 25 bags of mulch, and we are going to have to probably get like 10 more bags or so just to kind of fill in the areas that didn't get any mulch where there's landscaping fabric, and also some of the sparse parts. Try saying that 3 times. But yeah, no, it looks fantastic. Beds look incredible. The mulch is an added touch. And so the next step is there's Daddy over there walking around eating sunflower seeds. Oh, I turned the camera on you. So the next part is to fill the beds with soil and then get the plants into the raised beds. It's coming along beautifully. And one other part that I wanted to show you guys. We have this area kind of marked out because this guy is planning to build a greenhouse. Sorry, I caught him while he's eating sunflower seeds. You want to go ahead and flex? Because I turned the camera on you while you were flexing the first time. You want to show the guns? Rocking your 3 Mississippi shirt. All right, so it's coming along. We're almost there. It's been a lot of progress made, and yeah, I'm happy. You happy?
I'm happy too. I'm happy that it's done.
Yeah.
So if you missed us putting, what were we doing last? Staining.
Staining.
If you missed us staining these raised beds, click on the video over here, one of these places, and we will catch you in the next one.
Bye-bye.